Men judge best when they condemn. Basta lang dyan may patay, pag walang suspect, extrajudicial killing. Ganyan nangyari sa Davao. Anak ka na. Now, tell me. Ito nga si Dilima. Pati yung raportor. Ito yung iyo. Is there something wrong when you threaten criminals? Ito nga. Is there a provision in the penal code of the Philippines, the revised penal code, which says that it would be a criminal for a mayor and a president to threaten criminals? Yan ang mahirap eh. Pagbasa ng gano'n, may nabasa ako doon sa iyo that he has been heard threatening criminals with death if he wins. Kaya sabi ko, stupid. Sabi ko, fool eh. Why? Meron kayong ditong representative. Ask him first before you insult the president. Kasi hindi ako. I am I. But I am not the Republic of the Philippines. Pagka tinitira mo ako, hinihiya mo. Bakit hindi mo tanungin? Could you just a lawyer there and find out if there is really a criminal thing when a mayor, a president? Bakit sila, ang Amerika and Britain, they warned Iraq? I don't know what was that warning. But they went inside Iraq on a pretext, excuse, reason, that there were weapons of mass destruction, only to find out that there was none, and yet they destroyed a nation. Pagka-hipokrito nitong itong iyo. At first, you had the pretension of the sentiments of a civilized society, civilization. Binuksan ninyo yung boundary. Ngayon nakita kayo, hirap na kayo, lalaki naman ng lupa ninyo. Sinirahan ninyo bigla. So, yung inabutan sa sentimento ninyo before your, let me find the word, before your nightmare, pasok kayo ng pasok and egging everybody, criticizing every nation there that refused to allow the entry. Nung napuno na sila, anak ng sinirahan ngayon, sirado na, and some of them are drowning now, and some of them are out, and winter is coming, and they will suffer. So was the human rights. Australia, Mayong Rohingya, the stateless person or tribe in Myanmar, Burma. So they traveled to Indonesia. Anong ginawa? Nakuha ng barko, tinulak ulit doon sa dam. God, here I am killing the criminals, assuming it to be true. You guys, what the hell happened to your values in life? Puro man kayo Kristiyanos dyan. Itong mga writers dito, they keep on hammering na takutin before that Obama will ask him, say he must be prepared. Ako? Bakit ako mag-prepare? Who are you? In the context of things, who are you? Why are you asking me? What about you killing the black people every day, pinabaril ng... Don't be such a hypocrite. Bakit ako? Bakit hanggang ngayon? Kayong tumagal sa Amerika, huwag tayo magbulan. What is the treatment there of foreigners? Or if you are not white. Sige daw. Kayo nag-aral sa Amerika, galing sa Amerika. Tell me straight, walang bulahan. How are you treated there in America if you are not white? So, sabi ko nga, people judge best, especially when they condemn. Ganon ang Amerika. Sige siya turo sa akin, Letsakan Duterte ka, pati siya, hindi niya ang kinakain niya. Tapos matakot lang ako, sabi na, why? Tangina talaga itong Pilipino. Basahin mo yung mga kolumnista. They are more concerned of the feelings of Ubana than of me. Sa bagay, hindi man kayo bumoto sa akin, hindi okay lang. Ganito yan eh. Winner takes all dito eh. Kaya nga, in elections here, it is 50 plus 1. If there are 100 million voters, I only get 50 million. And 50 million plus 1 million, I get it. The 49 can suffer whatever is your predilection of pain. Mabuti nagkita. Talagang inaabangan ko kayo. Sabi ko sa prepare yung bards dyan sa... Hindi ko alam kung saan ko kayo ihulog. Yung mga ganon, they cannot take that kind of joke. I always do that. Tangunin mo ang taga Davao. Tanungin mo ang taga Davao kasi I start with a joke and would end a joke. Ganon ako. Kaya ginagawa ko kay Doris. Itong ping-alin nyo sa radyo ng bayan. Yan, gusto ko na rin. Ayun, matagal ko nang hinahanap yan. Buti nakita tayo dito ngayon. Ganon ako. Baski sila. Nung tumagal na, nasanay na sila. Sabi ko, have to end. Ladies and gentlemen of the Republic of the Philippines, our problem now is not my mouth. It's drugs numbering about 3 million plus the new surrenderers of 7 million. You cannot help it by just listening to my epithets, my slurs, and my curses. They are nothing. They are but manifestation of the anger inside me. And people who would want to mess up with our life, matagal na tayong independent sa Amerika. Huwag nila akong takutin ng extrajudicial killing. Or else, I will also demand that the United States of America and EU be investigated alongside with me. Because they have committed far more injustice and have done horrific things. Ano ba naman? Criminals? They are attributing it to us. And even if there was already killings, look at your statistics. Look at the statistics before I assume office. Tingnan ninyo mabuti. Then that would make you a good journalist because you are fair, factual. Bilangin mo. Bilangin mo. And if there were no killings, this is official. I will resign tonight. Come back here. I'll give you my resignation. Hindi ako hangal itong presidente. Ayaw ko nga. To tell, ayaw ko. Hindi ako, sabi ko, I'm staking my life, my honor, and the presidency. Yan. To all of you, EU, Obama, United States. Pinoposta ko, buhay ko, honor ko, pati itong pagka-presidente. Wala akong ilusyon dito. As a matter of fact, well, of course, were it not for my love of country. Alam mo bakit? Deep down, I knew na ako lang makasulbat nito. Crime and criminality, so I'm a 10 years fiscal. 9 years as a trial fiscal. Hindi ako nagyayabang, but if you really want a trial, if you want a show, a razzle-dazzle, then let us go to court. Let me ask you the question. Simple lang yan. May ko lang sa kanya, Miss Dilemma. I'm kind of a blurred, a vague memory of your persona. Like to, no holds barred. Sabi, objection. Oh, you should be objection. I'm establishing the character of the, is this you? Pumping? So the next question will be drugs. Hinihiya mo ako, di ba kahiyaan tayo? Gusto ko, everybody should be placed under oath. So that if in the end I can establish that you are lying, I can proceed against you for a vindication. Kung makinig ka lang, mag-notes lang kayo, tapos kunin yung garbage ni Dilima, that's bullshit. I'm willing, any and all questions I will answer. Padala mo na yung mga iyo na bright. Mga bobo ito, mga putang ina to, maniwala ko dyan. But do you think they're really brighter than us? O come here. Believe ka dyan sa mga utor-utor na yan. Ako, utor lang sa kulukuhan, pero okay man. It has done me. Rocky, you have something to say? You're about to any question.
Thank you, Mr. President. Sir,
Dalawa ito si Rocky, nakilala ito panahon ni Ramos. He's been around. We were on stage. Kung magtanong itong kagaya ninyo, mga walang, siguro, taga-probinsya, saksang, tayo na yung microphone na siguro, you're just thinking about a billion germs dyan, ganoon mo yan, may mahangin. O sa stage kami, di yung lahat ng galing, itong putang, doon sa iyo. Tinula ko, ano ka ba, bakit mo ako? Sabi niya, toxic ka. Ligawan ko nga. Toxic ka? Toxic ka? Ligawan ko. Ikaw na magsabi sa kanila kung ano nangyari.
thank you, Mr. President.
Wala na, ano na. Ramos is time. Totoo kasi. Marami bang sa stage kayo, marami namang presidential guard. So, kita itulak lang. Kung ano ka man. So, bakit? Ano? Magtatanong lang. Oh, pero yung sabi ko, yung kagaw niyan, kagaw is germs. Anong kagaw ko? Basta kagaw. Hindi maawak agad kung anong, hindi mag-translate ka agad yung Tagalog. Kung kagaw, germs. Galit, sabi niya, toxic ka. Sabi ko, maganda ka. Ligawan ko nga, da. Di, sabihin mo sa publiko, totoo man, wala naman sa asawa niya, no? Together again. De. Good boy na. Ano yung asawa ko dyan, sa kabila. Good boy ako. I even want my little girl to study. Yan lang, ha? Problema, ayaw. Lungkot? Lungkot. So, even anybody, ito last, no? What, 3 minutes? Anybody who wants you to run for the presidency, you want a good answer? Iwasan. Personally, as a person, spiritually, yes, because you do something for country. But if you want a life, mayor ang maganda.